Welcome to Learning Tutorials. Today, I'll be showing you how to add sound effects and audio to your pivot animation. So, if we go to Pivot Animator, click File, Open Animation, you can select the animation you've made, click Open. Here you can watch your animation. You'll notice there's no audio. There's no way to add audio within Pivot Animator, so you'll have to export it as a video and put it into a different video editing software to add the audio. So I've already exported mine. And if you don't know how to do that, then watch my video I've made. So we're gonna X out of this. Here's the finished animation that's been exported. We're going to add it into Microsoft's video editor. You go down to the search, type in video editor, and click enter. In here, you can click new video project. You can name it. And once you've done that, you can either click add and search to your computer, or you can go to your file manager, go to where you saved it, which mine's on the desktop, drag it, and drop. Minimize that. Now it's in your project library. You're going to need to then drag it into the storyboard. And on the top right, you'll see a window. And here, when it's done loading, you'll be able to see your video. You can watch it, and then you can full screen it. So we're going to rewind to the beginning. And we're going to watch it to where we want to put our first sound effect. So we're going to be right here when it gets hit. So we're going to go to Custom Audio. And you can either click Add an audio file or drag it back to our desktop. And I have a folder here that I have sound effects on. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to use these sound effects. I'm going to open the file, and you can find the sound you want, and click it, drag it, and drop it into the audio files. And we're going to minimize this. Now when you play, you'll hear a sound. Now if you want to add more sounds, you'd keep going like that. Click Add Audio File. Going back to the desktop. Sound effects. And here you get to all the different sounds. We're going to add a running sound effect. We're going to click the one that says running on grass and click open. And you're going to click play. Now we don't want it to keep running after he's hit. So after he gets to here, we're going to shrink it and crop it. And now let's watch it again. Now you click done. And then you finished editing your video, you're going to click finish video. And then export. It'll ask you where you want to save it. We're going to see on the desktop. And then we're going to click export again. Once finished exporting, it'll play the video, FX out of this. We'll see that we have the new one and the old one. Here's the old one with no sound. And here's the new one. That is how to add sound effects and audio to your pivot animation. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.